Total invoice price of $1,935.74. All right, what's up, guys? Good morning, Welcome back to the channel, man. I just came from the gym, but look at that. Red is leaking hella coolant, bro. Right there. The last 2 days, it's been pretty bad like that, to be honest with you. Went to work yesterday. When I came back out, it was a big puddle, about the size of that. And I dipped it in a white napkin. And sure enough, it was orange in color. Just came to the gym this morning, and sure enough, there it is again. Now, I know a lot of y'all have tried to help me out and tell me, hey, Q, it could be this, Q, it could be that. But actually, I need this truck hopefully next week to go to Austin is what I'm thinking about doing. So I don't have time to self-diagnose this myself. And also the fact that a lot of y'all commented so many different things it could be, and I appreciate y'all, tells me that I probably won't be able to diagnose this myself. Y'all have told me like at least 5 or 6 different things it could be, from the turbo, from a pipe, from a water pump. It's all different type of stuff. So we're gonna take it to Ford today and see. Hopefully they don't keep it too long. Hopefully it's not a big fix. Hopefully it's not a turbo leak. That's my biggest concern. And to be honest with y'all, there are a few things I want to do to the truck, bro. But make sure your truck is in maintenance first. Make sure maintenance and everything is good before you go add wheels and tires and get all this stuff and wheel lights and rock lights. Make sure your truck is running properly first before you do that. Because if you look good but don't run, then what's the point, you know? Hey guys, I got the truck running. Let's see if there's any more coolant down here. Appreciate y'all working with me. Here to see if there's any more coolant on the ground. That's water. Yeah, that's coolant right here for sure. It's orange. Is that coolant over there too? Is that water? I'm not sure. Let's go see. That is water as well. So that spot right there is coolant for sure. Guys, I want to show y'all something. Years and years ago, this is high school right here. Years and years ago, just had finished college, didn't have no money, trying to figure out a job. You know, when you play football, for as long as I did, I played football since 4th grade. And like, I really like football is my life. And after college, you know, I played a little arena on a semi-professional team, nothing crazy. So when you get done playing football, you gotta lose yourself. I didn't know what to do. And so that high school you back there, I got into like coaching, like the off-season conditioning programs and stuff. It's funny because I haven't seen a high school in like 8 years. And when I was there, like I said, I didn't have no money. I was trying to find my way. I didn't have a car. I didn't have nothing. So I really had a scooter, like a 250cc scooter that I rode where I'm at now, out here, all the way to that high school from my house. And I lived like 50 minutes away, almost an hour, probably was an hour. So the scooter only could go like 50 miles an hour. I couldn't get on the interstate, so I used to have to take all back roads to get to work. The scooter was just, it was barely holding together, guys. The battery died. I had to carry multiple batteries in my backpack as I went to and from, because one time I went to work, drove an hour to the high school to coach. Session was over, tried to start the scooter, it wouldn't work. Someone had to come pick me up, drive me all the way back home, charge the battery up, and then come back and get the scooter and drive it home. And so I started carrying multiple batteries, and it's just come full circle. Now I'm in my truck, and just to go by the high school, I was a little frustrated with the truck, I'm not gonna lie. But to see where I've come from, it kind of just put everything right back into perspective for me really quick, that brief moment, because I'm just a little upset with the truck. Just seemed like the last few months there's always something going on with it. I had the throttle body, then I had the heater not working, and now it's leaking coolant. So, you know, it just happened. The truck is getting up there in age. One wise man always told me, either you're going to be paying for maintenance or you're going to be paying a car note. You're going to be paying for something, you know? So we're paying for maintenance right now. Don't forget where you come from is what I'm ultimately trying to say. But we at the dealership now. Brody down there looking. So it is leaking somewhere. I know it's leaking because I'm having to constantly add coolant to it. You don't mind me filming, do you? No. You know I'm a film. So it is leaking down somewhere?
Yeah, so.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know where it's leaking from.
I know. Because the thermostat is right back up in here, underneath this, up in there, but you can smell it, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you, I took it to another shop already for this months ago, and they did a pressure test. They we put it up, we couldn't find a leak, man. Okay. I don't know if it needs to be hot and then cool off and it starts leaking, or.
Well, once we do that pressure test, they'll build up the pressure of the whole system.
Yeah.
And then see it comes out anywhere, so it'll be hot, cold,
okay,
in every really aspect.
Okay, but yeah, I can smell it right. Definitely smell coolant, guys. We got an F-150 Lightning right here, guys. I want to show y'all like something going on with the front wheel over here. I'm curious what was going on with the front wheel of a Lightning. Holy wow. Oh, the whole thing's gonna stand on this side. It's pretty clean. Control lines in there. Oh, I'm curious. Maybe new tires, I don't know. So the new F-150s, bro, they just haven't really grown on me the front end yet. I do love the interior, the tech, for sure. The front end's just not killing. I'm just not feeling them just yet. But you know, sometimes things just take time to grow on you. F350, got the new headlights, the new grille on it. Oh, what y'all think? Comment below. That's the new one. I personally like the 20, or like the older look headlights better, the more square look, just looks more aggressive to me. Got the big screen in this one as well, y'all can see. Nice, a little dirty, but it's nice. Also, you know, Ford started incorporating the cutout in the side of the truck here, side step there, and back here like Chevy does, or been doing with their bumpers, you know, to help you stand up there to get into bed easier. I always thought they should have did that. So these are the new ones, guys. The Limited is a platinum. It looks okay. It's a lot of chrome. I don't know, just the front end, just not doing it. That's the trimmer package, I'm sure. Yeah, it's a trimmer. Yeah, it's just, I don't know, they just don't do it for me in the front just yet. What y'all think? Comment below. We do got a new Raptor. Now, I will say, the Raptor does look good. I wonder how the hell they got it up there. That's pretty dope. I do like the look of the new Raptor, for some reason. The new Raptor headlights look good. On the Ford F-150 it don't, but the Raptor it does. How much they selling this joint for? I know a lot of y'all be like, Q, get a Raptor. Bro, Q is not rich. $80,000, $80,700 for the F-150 Raptor. It is a 2023. $80,700 for a 2023 Raptor. Is that a lot? I mean, I know it's a lot of money, but compared to old prices, is that a lot? I'm assuming yes, because the price of everything's just more expensive these days. But it looks really nice on the inside though. Oh yeah, y'all can see there. See? There we go. It looks nice. You got this thing jacked way up here. It's a Lariat, new F-150 on some Nitto Ridge grapplers, 35, 11 520s, fuel assault wheels. It looks pretty good. I like the color. The color is really, it's like a blue-gray. Very interesting color. So this is a F-250 on some Recon grapplers, actually, on some 37 13 522s. These is like 22s by 10. It looks good. It's on the lift kit. I seen this truck somewhere. I don't know where, but I've seen this truck before. I don't think it's for sale, but he's on some Nitto Ridge grapplers, 35 12 5s, 22s, 22 by 12. Look like a good stance on it. And 12 wides. Nice front fascia. Back up. Yeah. By then I saw these two trucks right here. So you got another F-150 Lariat on some open country all-terrains. They are in size, I can't see the size, I don't feel like getting down there, but probably 35s, I'm sure. But I like the wheels on it. It looks really good on this truck. Black, honestly, y'all, black looks good on anything. Like, look at that. It's a pretty good looking truck. And then you got the ruby red right here, which I really like. I'm not gonna lie, the new ones, they not growing on me yet, but seeing them with lift kits on there, I think these are lifted. Don't look bad. Some Nitto Ridge grapplers, 35, 11 520s. Y'all can see, but I ain't gonna lie, the interior is dope, boy. Look at that. Ooh, with the screen. Yes, sir. The interior is nice. Another black one. This is a Power Boost. Right here, Power Boost on some Nitto Ridge grapplers. 35, 11 520s as well. So it seems like all these trucks out here on Nitto Ridge grapplers. So yeah, another all black truck as well. So anyway, and then you got the white one right here on some fuel assaults, I believe. So out of these three, which one of y'all is the favorite? I'm not gonna lie, I think I like that ruby red or the all black. I check out this Mach 1. Oh my goodness, beautiful Mach 1. I like the color on that joint too. Like white with some red and black white stripes. Beautiful wheels. Sheesh, what y'all think about these Mach 1s? It's a manual, of course. Yeah. These things are nice. All right, guys, so it has now been about almost a week since I dropped my truck off, and I finally got the notice that it's ready to be picked up. I'm not sure if I told y'all what the issue is yet. I don't think we know it's leaking coolant. They have diagnosed it, they have repaired it, so hopefully, finger crossed, nothing else goes wrong with it. But I guess I'm going to talk more into detail about the problem after I get the truck. I was telling Brielle that she got her pink. Y'all see what's up with the pink. Look at the shoes. I'm show y'all the shoes. But anyway, I was telling Brielle, Red has, I'm telling you, I love my truck, but one more big bill from Red, it might be time to let it go, man. What you saying that too?
Red is our bougie baby right now. Not in a good way.
Red, I know Red in the last like what, 8 months, 9 months, yeah. I believe it is. Red has cost $4,000 in repairs. It was this repair, the $1,500 to get my heater working again, and then another $800 for the throttle body issue, and now this issue. So it's like $4,000 over the last 8 months. So You know, she's getting up there in the age. I mean, she's 90,000 miles. She's not even 100,000 miles yet. No, yeah, it's not even close to 100,000.
think you hit 90.
Yeah, I'm at 89. I'm like 89. I'm still like 700 miles from. Yeah, I got a good little bit. But since I moved so far from the office now from where I work, I'm definitely putting a lot of more miles on her, a lot more. So I don't know, man. She one more bill, man, might be time. I don't know. We'll see. That's a long bed. This thing is. Yeah, look how far I was thinking for everybody else. It's ruby red though. I got the new front on there too. That's the new brand new front here.
A white Bronco.
Out here. OJ. Go in here and let Brody take my money again. I appreciate you though, Brody. To go in and yeah, take off. I thought about that. I was on the passenger side. You keep saying passenger. I don't know why I keep thinking driver. Let me see. Yeah, they got to make up in there. You mind if I cut them on real quick? I was about to tell you what the switch was to cut them on to see. They both on?
No.
Huh?
No.
Damn it. Yeah, they.
Let me make sure. I'm not just smoking crack or anything.
Nah, I figured. Let me see.
Was it driver on?
Yeah, the other, yeah, everything else on. It's just those. Jesus Christ. Thing's freaking loud. All right, guys, so we back, and the old girl, as y'all can see here, man, we back. She back, I'm back. I know it's not the beginning of the video, but anyway, y'all get what I'm saying, we back. In order to fix this repair, they did have to go through the wheel well, and with that, they had to take out my rock lights, the two on the passenger side, and my rock lights aren't working. But Brody said, hey, the guy, he called the tech like, oh crap, he said he forgot to unplug them up, plug them back up. So he told me to bring it back anytime. They'll try to get it in and out and just basically plug the lights back up. Nice green scatty. Okay. All right, guys, so we're back home. Everything's squared away with red. Here she is, back in her normal spot. Good to be home. I'm not gonna lie, when this truck is not here, the driveway looks very empty because she takes up so much space. But let's talk about what happened to the truck. I'm not sure how I titled the video. I may have already given it away. I'm not sure. But anyway, so I did get the infamous turbo coolant line leak, man. So if you don't know what that is, Google it. Just do a Google F150 Ecoboost turbo coolant leak, something in that area, and you're gonna get a lot of hits because it's a very known issue with the Ecoboost on the F150s where the lines running to the turbo, the cooling line, they tend to corrode, and when they corrode, they start leaking. It's a huge known issue. I'm not sure why Ford has not put this under warranty. I probably know why, because it's a lot of money to fix it, and it's really not even the parts that's gonna cost you, it's the labor because of the location. I'll just show y'all that really quick, and then I'm gonna get into this paper in my hand. So they basically had to remove my front fender, wheel well fender here. So it's up in here. It's a very intensive, labor-intensive job. And that's what I read on the internet, and that's what he told me at the dealership as well. There's really no getting away around it. If you're very handy, you probably can do it yourself. I know one guy did comment on the video when it was leaking coolant. He was like, bro, Ford is gonna charge you a lot. His buddy did his in the driveway or something like that. So if you can do it, feel free. Me, I know my limits. I'm not mechanically inclined to do that. That's just not my strength. Here we go. So you can see here, these are all the parts that they replaced. So the first three items, you got 3 different connectors, OI, at different prices. So one was $30, the other one was $26, the other one was $34.99 for 3 different connectors. And there's 2 of the top ones, there's 2, so there's $60 for the top one. Then you had a bolt that had to be replaced, you had an oil cooler and gasket. That was another $36. There was 3 bolts, excuse me. The 3 bolts were $52. I didn't even see that. So you had a gasket that had to be replaced, 1 gasket, another gasket exhaust that was $26, another gasket that was $33, a nut hex, you need 2 of those, which was total of $22. An O-ring, 1 of those, $23. A stud, another $25, and antifreeze, which was another $23. Total in parts, if y'all can see right there, was $376.88 just for the parts. So like I said, the parts aren't expensive. That's not what is gonna kill you. The labor is what kill you. So if you saw down on the paper, the labor for this job, $1,370.78, bro. $1,378 for labor, including another $376 for parts. So you're looking at a total of 174766. And also while I was there, I got my windshield wipers replaced because they were pretty old. I just did it. I know I could buy some myself, guys. I did my windshield wipers last time by myself. I was like, I'm here. They go do it anyway, whatever. It was an extra $50 for the windshield wipers. Cost of the wiper were $49, and then the install was $5. So it wasn't bad. So with the windshield wipers and everything like that, guys, I came out to a total invoice price of right there, $19,354. So $1,935.74, guys. I'm telling you. So I think that's why Ford has not covered this under warranty, because it's a $1,700 job and they're making quite a bit of money off of that. I'm not accusing them. I'm just saying that would be my reason not to cover it, because it's a known issue. Like, it's a known issue, and you can get $1,700. Why not make $1,700, you know? I thought it was the driver's side, guys, but actually it was the passenger side that was leaking. I was incorrect on that. So that was a little surprise to me, because I guess every time I got out the truck, I started smelling coolant coming from the driver's side. Every time I got out of the truck, I could smell it. And when I pulled up, y'all heard me probably say in the video earlier, I was like, man, I could smell coolant. You know, now I'm not smelling that anymore. It looks like everything is fixed. They got everything back right. We'll see. I am seeing some dripping on the ground right here at the corner of my eye, but I'm pretty sure this is water, because it is not orange in color. I can tell you that. Let's see. Yeah, that's water. One of those things, bro, about the Ecoboost engine. So I think I'm actually gonna make a separate video on me owning my Ecoboost, what, 5 years now, whatever the case may be, almost 90,000 miles. I only put on like 45 of those 90,000 because I bought it at like 45,000 miles or 43, something like that. So yeah, I'll probably go do another video talk about my ownership of this Ecoboost. You, man, if you got the Ecoboost, I hope you don't ever experience that. Or the cam chain phase tensioner is another popular item that goes out on these Ecoboost engines. But hopefully she's good to go now. That's all I got. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Yeah, thank y'all for rocking with me. That's all I got. I can't make up nothing else to say. I'll catch y'all. Oh, my lips white? I hate that happen. But I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.